Hello, and in today's video, we are looking at this wooden train track. It's pretty cool. Here is an overview of the track, and I'm going to step onto this bench thingy to see the whole entire top of it. What is this track missing? Oh, I know, the trains. Here we have a BNSF engine, which will be pulling a super long freight train. It's an Illinois Central boxcar, a Soo Line boxcar, a BNSF tanker car, Canadian National tanker car, a Santa Fe gondola car, Santa Fe hopper thingy, and last but not least, a Santa Fe boxcar. Here we have the Santa Fe engine, which I'm going to put this in the engine garage. And the last train is an Amtrak train, which is being lined up on the elevated part of the layout. Thanks for watching this video.